Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Superstitchous Icelandic poppy blanket. So this is the card that came with it. Icelandic poppies on the front. Then the back it says Superstitchous. Icelandic poppies are a symbol of hope, peace, resilience, and remembrance. We hope that you love your blanket and that it brings you good fortune and warm memories. Cool. Let's check it out. It's a premium blanket. It's my first blanket from them, so I'm really excited. Wow. Look at this. Wow. This is a amazing blanket. Look at the quality. Wow. Super excited, guys. I can't fit it all here, but great detail. Wow, great looking blanket. I'm excited to put this on my bed. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this blanket in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. And yeah, catch you all next time. See you later. Bye.